This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: do not attempt to remove the surge tank cap, coolant, or thermostat until the engine has cooled completely. Drain the cooling system. Follow the radiator hose to the thermostat housing cover and disconnect the radiator hose. Remove the thermostat housing cover mounting fasteners and remove the housing. Be prepared for some coolant to spill as the gasket seal is broken. Remove the thermostat, noting the direction in which it was installed in the housing, and thoroughly clean the sealing surfaces. Install a new gasket onto the thermostat. Make sure it is evenly fitted all the way around. Install the thermostat and housing, positioning the jiggle pin at the highest point, if equipped. Torque the thermostat housing bolts to 96 inch-pounds. Install the radiator hose. Fill the cooling system. Run the engine and check for leaks and proper operation.